Welcome to our review of the best electric bikes for 2024. Whether you're seeking a bike for your child's first ride or a powerful model for off-road adventures, we've got a range of top picks to explore. Let's dive into our top 7 models and see what makes each one stand out. Number 1. Hiboy BK1 electric bike for kids, 3 to 5 years old. The Hiboy BK1 electric bike is an excellent choice for young riders aged 3 to 5 years. This bike combines safety and fun, providing a great introduction to electric biking for children. Its 24V100W motor delivers a gentle, manageable speed that is perfect for little ones who are just starting out. The bike's top speed is tailored to ensure that kids can enjoy a thrilling ride without compromising safety. Designed with an adjustable seat and handlebars, the Hiboy BK1 grows with your child, offering extended usability. The 12-inch inflatable tires are not only visually appealing but also provide a comfortable ride, absorbing minor bumps and uneven surfaces with ease. The bike's steel frame is built to endure the rough and tumble of young riders, ensuring durability and long-term use. For added safety, the Hiboy BK1 includes a responsive handbrake and a speed limiter that parents can adjust according to their child's comfort level. Its lightweight design allows for easy maneuvering, and the simple assembly process makes it a hassle-free choice. With its vibrant colors and sturdy build, the Hiboy BK1 makes a perfect first electric bike for your child's outdoor adventures. Number 2. Urban Go Folding Electric Bike, 20 mph and 25.5 miles range. The Urban Go Folding Electric Bike is a versatile and practical choice for city dwellers and travelers. Its foldable design allows for easy storage in tight spaces, making it ideal for urban environments where space is a premium. The bike folds down quickly, so you can easily take it on public transportation or store it in your car trunk. Equipped with a 500 Lu peak motor, the Urban Go reaches speeds of up to 20 mph, providing a swift and efficient ride through city streets. The removable battery offers a range of up to 25.5 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for daily commutes or short trips. The 14-inch wheels are well suited for navigating urban landscapes, and the bike's compact size ensures ease of handling. The Urban Go features an LCD display that provides real-time information on speed, battery level, and distance traveled. The bike's sturdy frame and reliable braking system contribute to its overall durability, while the comfortable saddle ensures a pleasant riding experience. This electric bike is a great solution for those looking to combine convenience with performance in their daily travel. Number 3. UDON BEEMONE 1000W electric bike, 26 fat tire and 30 to 80 miles. The UDON BEEMONE electric bike is a powerhouse designed for those who crave both power and versatility. Featuring a robust 1000W motor, this bike offers impressive acceleration and can reach speeds that make it suitable for both city and off-road use. The 26-inch fat tires provide excellent traction and stability, allowing you to confidently tackle various terrains, from rough trails to smooth pavements. The bike is equipped with a 48V/20R removable battery that supports an impressive range of 30 to 80 miles, depending on riding conditions and usage. This extended range ensures that you can embark on long rides or commute without frequently recharging. The UDON BEEMONE also includes a Shimano 7-speed gear system, which provides smooth and reliable shifting for diverse riding conditions. Durability is a key feature of the UDON BEEMONE, with a sturdy frame and high-quality components designed to withstand rigorous use. The hydraulic disc brakes deliver excellent stopping power, enhancing safety during high-speed rides. The bike's full suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, providing a comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. This electric bike is ideal for those seeking a high-performance model that can handle a variety of adventures. Number 4. OKAI Ranger 1000W Fat Tire Electric Bike, 45 miles and 28 mph. The OKAI Ranger electric bike is built for riders who demand top performance and versatility. Its 1000W motor provides powerful acceleration, reaching speeds of up to 28 mph, making it one of the fastest options in its category. The bike's 45-mile range ensures that you can take on long rides without the need for frequent recharging. The fat tires and suspension fork are designed to handle diverse terrains, offering superior shock absorption and stability. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring rugged trails, the OKAI Ranger delivers a smooth and controlled ride. The 8-speed drivetrain allows for easy shifting and adaptability, ensuring that the bike performs well in various riding conditions. Durability is evident in the OKAI range's construction, with a robust frame and high-quality components designed to withstand demanding use. The bike's heavy-duty design and powerful motor make it a great choice for both casual and serious riders. With its combination of speed, range, and ruggedness, the OKAI Ranger is perfect for those who need a reliable and high-performing electric bike. Number 5. Electric bike for adults. 2000W dual motor and 20 fat tires. This electric bike for adults features a dual 2000W motor system, providing exceptional power and acceleration. The bike's 20-inch fat tires are designed for maximum traction and stability, making it suitable for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The powerful motors enable high speeds and efficient climbing, allowing you to tackle challenging terrains with ease. The 48V18R removable battery offers a substantial range, making long rides and extended commutes feasible without frequent recharging. The bike's full suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, absorbing shocks and bumps effectively. Hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, enhancing safety during high-speed rides. The bike's robust frame and durable components are built to handle rigorous use, ensuring long-term performance and reliability. Its sleek design and high power make it an attractive option for riders seeking both style and functionality. Whether you're commuting or exploring new trails, this electric bike delivers the performance and durability needed for a great riding experience. Number 6. PASELEC 27.5. Full suspension electric bike, 750 Go and 28 mph. The PASELEC electric bike combines power and comfort with its 750 Go motor and full suspension system. Capable of reaching speeds up to 28 mph, this bike offers an exhilarating ride while maintaining smooth performance. The 27.5-inch wheels provide stability and control, making it suitable for various terrains. Equipped with a 13Ah battery, the PASELEC offers a respectable range, allowing for longer rides without the need for frequent charging. The full suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, ensuring a comfortable ride over rough surfaces. The hydraulic disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, enhancing safety during high-speed rides. The bike's 9-speed gear system allows for versatile riding, adapting to different conditions with ease. The durable frame and quality components ensure long-lasting performance, making the PASELEC a great choice for riders seeking both comfort and power. Whether you're commuting or exploring trails, this electric bike delivers a reliable and enjoyable riding experience. Number 7. Schwinn Coston Hybrid Electric Bike, 20 mph and 35 to 45 miles. The Schwinn Coston Hybrid Electric Bike is designed for versatile use, offering a balance of performance and comfort. With a 250W motor, the bike reaches speeds up to 20 mph, making it ideal for both commuting and casual rides. The 27.5-inch wheels provide stability and a smooth ride, whether you're on city streets or country roads. The removable battery offers a range of 35 to 45 miles, ensuring that you can cover significant distances on a single charge. The bike features a 7-speed drivetrain, which provides smooth gear shifts and adaptability to different terrains. The disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power, enhancing safety during rides. The Schwinn Coston Hybrid Electric Bike features a lightweight aluminum frame, which contributes to its overall durability and comfort. The step-through or step-over frame options provide flexibility and ease of use. With its blend of performance, range, and comfort, the Schwinn Coston is an excellent choice for riders seeking a reliable and efficient electric bike. In conclusion, each of these electric bikes offers unique features and advantages suited to different riding needs. Whether you're looking for a bike for your child, a high-powered off-road model, or a versatile commuter bike, there's an option for you in this lineup. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you find the perfect electric bike for your needs.